Let's make this simple St. Louis Tavern Style Pizza dough. We start off with our all-purpose flour, measure it out accurately. To that we add our salt and then our baking powder. This is going to get mixed or whisked together so that all of the dry materials are fully incorporated. Then use your hand, make a well. To that we add our 120 grams of water, 25 grams of olive oil, and then we mix it up by hand. This can also be done in a food processor, but not everybody has one. So I'm going to show you simply how to make it in a bowl. Mix it until it's nice and shaggy, transfer it onto your kneading surface, and begin kneading by hand. You're going to knead this until the dough itself incorporates well with the flour. There's no yeast in this, so it doesn't require any rising, but cover it with a damp rag and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. You then cut it in two, roll it into your dough ball, and you have two wonderful dough balls for your tavern style pizza. Enjoy.